Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Vinu Sweet Home. Today I am going to review the Mi Band 5. This is India's #1 wearable brand and it comes with AMOLED touchscreen 1.1 inch and real-time heart rate monitoring, means it will give you a heart rate at your app frequently, and it is waterproof up to 50 ATM and it comes with a magnetic charger. It comes up to 14 days in single charge. So it has one user manual, one magnetic charger and one band. So let's open it. Price is 2,000. I got it at 2,600. So let's open it. So here is your band and here is your magnetic charger and here is your user manual. Well, I will tell you step by step how to connect it. So I will, it is the first one of Mi Band which is coming with the magnetic charger, and it can connect up to band. And here is our band. It's 1.1 AMOLED display, and you can just, the old models you have to remove the capsule, and this time you can't, don't need to remove the capsule. You can just put it like this, so it will connect, and it's very tight magnet, very strong one. So let's open it up. First it will ask for your language, and if it doesn't open up, you have to charge it and then go to English, and then it will tell you to pair first and then install Mi Fit application, and then you have to sign in. Then it will tell you to pair your device, then you have to add device from the profile settings, and then you have to choose your band. You have to wait a second. And it vibrates, and I have to pair it successfully, and it is saying paired successfully. Well, for the new band you have to update the firmware. I have updated it when I got the band. It is restoring band settings. Well, I have used it, but I am showing you. I have factory report to this. It will tell you about the features, and then it is 71%. Well, it has told that it has animated watch faces and hundreds of watch faces. Well, I don't like anyone in these. You can just download one app for this, which is Mi Band 5 watch faces. So here you can get most of the watch faces, and I will tell you the step. First, what you have to do is you have to select any watch face you want. I will select this one, and then I will download it. After it downloads, it will tell option to open Mi Fit app, and then go to the managers. And you can see that it is showing the same band display. So you have to click on that and keep the band closer to your phone, and then sense watch face. The band will show it sensing. Well, it's sensing, and it has saying sensed successfully. Well, I like this display bunch. And coming to the features, you get a status in which you can see how much have your steps count and calories burn. And idle alerts are the things if you have sitting any place for longer hours, it will tell you a reminder like thing which will say you just walk around, don't sit like that. And PII, actually this is the new features which is MI Band 5 as in MI brand has introduced, and it is saying that if you get the PII 100 out of 100, you will not be affected by any of the diseases. Next comes the heart rate. Well, this heart rate is more accurate in anyone, and I have checked it, but you have to be steady at any place. You can't move while it is measuring. If you move, it will say that I can't measure it. So next are the notification. If you can just select the apps which you want the notification to appear here. And this is the stress monitoring. This is breathing monitors and events you can set by your phone. Whether it comes with 4 days of weather, and it tells you about today's weather. Well, I am here at Ernakulam, Kerala, and it says 31 degrees Celsius. Well, that's correct. And it comes with 11 workout modes, and excluding yoga and walking, you have to just connect your band before you go in any one of the workout modes. And coming to more, and this more has many things like DND. DND is a thing which everyone knows, like do not disturb, and it will tell you that you can set it at any time, turn on DND for 30 minutes or customize it. The feature will work if you are disturbed with the notifications. You can just turn on DND, and for every notification you can't be disturbed by your band. And coming to the alarm, well, you can turn off and turn on alarms, but if you have to set a custom alarm, you can go to your Mi Fit app. And camera, this camera actually works when your Mi Band 5 is connected to your Mi Fit app, and it works with the front camera. I have not checked the rear camera. You have to go here and select lab, then go to the camera settings. And yeah, well, there is a new update, and MI Band 3, and from MI Band 3 that you can unlock your newly launched MI notebook with it. So it has paired. Now I can go to this camera and open your phone's camera. So here it is. I will show it. You can see that I can operate it. While your phone is somewhere around, you can also click a photo. And coming to the music system, you can just connect it, and this band will detect any of the music plays. You can just pause and play and forward, and you can control the volume too. So I will play. You can just control your music from here. So just go to music, and I will play any music. And see, I can just control the volume too, and I can play, pause and play. I can go to forward it with any other. See. And coming to the next feature, it's stopwatch. Well, it is used it will used on your phone only, and you can now use it on your band. Just click this, and then you can check it out. For pausing it, click this button, and now yes. You have timer too. You can set a timer. And yeah, this feature is coming with MI Band 5, where if your phone is in silent mode and you can't find your phone, I will put it in silent mode, and you can't find your phone and your Mi Band 5 is connected, so you can just play a song. You can just find your device. You can just hear the song. So alarm is off. And now, and another one is world clock. You can just find out if you want to add any other world clock, and you can just open the MiFi app and just add it. Coming to the band display, it comes with 3 band displays, and yeah, this one is the official one. You can get this one also. And yeah, one thing about this band display that you can just customize your own band display. Clicking at the settings, well, I will just show you. Long press this. Just click on this button and then you can just check which one you want. And then once finished, just long press it to save. You can see it has changed. Coming to the next feature, it's settings, and you can just, when Mi Band 5 is more brighter, you can see it add sunlight too. This is the darkest one, brightest one, and it affects on my eyes. And lock screen, well, lock screen is the thing that if your hands just touches the Mi Band very mistakenly, so I will show you here. Well, another feature on this is detect activity. You can just turn it on, and whenever you are doing any cycling, walking, it will automatically detect it and upload it on your MiFi app. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.